Okay, so this I'm showing you one parity where your first two layers are done. This till here it is done, but the last layer, if you see in 3 by 3, if you have to see the horizontal line or the inverted L shape and just follow this algorithm F R U R prime U prime F prime. So this is a parity where how much ever you do, this piece is there, it will not come back to this yellow thing will not come here. So basically it won't form the plus, however plus. So to solve this parity, we have an algorithm. It will be there on your screen. It goes something like this: R wide. RW means R wide. This is both together. I am calling it R wide. Okay. So R wide 2 times, B2, U2, L wide, U2, R wide prime. Okay, so this is R wide prime, U2, R wide, U2, F2, R wide, F2, L wide prime, B2, R wide 2. Okay, so now if you see, it is forming plus. Previously this thing was not coming up, so this is the parity. Usually you find it in 4x4 Rubik's cube in orientation of last layer in OLL. So this is the plus you have got now. So now the usual way, if we need to orient this, match it like this, hold it like upside down, like this back side, this front side, and perform R U R prime U R U U R prime. Now we'll see this and this is matching. Okay, so now hold it like this in upper right corner like this, one facing back, one facing right, and perform R U R prime U R U U R prime. Okay, and one U, and all the things are correctly placed. Okay, now just see which corner is proper. Now this corner is correctly placed, so U R U prime L prime U. Okay, so this fits your, again this is gonna be the parity. Now this shows one more parity. Now how much ever you try to do, this corners will not fall in place. So this is one parity in 4x4 cube. So what you do is, how much ever you try, for suppose as a beginner method you should be doing, this is correct. So you do U R prime R. You see the algorithm on your screen and just perform. Okay, so how much ever you do, this will not fall on place. Okay, so this is correct, but these two are not correct. So you might think that your cube, some problem is there, but there is no problem with the cube. This is a parity which you find in PLL, permitting the last layer. So here what you're supposed to do is hold it anywhere, here this way, this way, this way, whichever way you want to hold it anywhere, and just apply this algorithm which will be there on your screen. Here we need to move small r, means this layer we are moving. Okay, because this is not magnetic cube, I am not able to move only this layer. So what I'll do is move this both and get this back. So you'll understand. Small r 2. Okay, so if you see, I've just moved this layer 2 times, the second layer 2 times. So that is called small r2, U2. Okay, again small r2. Okay, I've just moved the second layer. Again U wide 2. U wide means first 2 layers. Okay, again small r2. Just move this second layer. Okay, and U wide 2. Okay, U wide means first and 2 layers together. Okay, so now your PLL parity is done. So again you'll have to perform the algorithm again. So this and this is matching. So R U R prime U, R U U R prime, and then this matches this two. Again put it in the upper right corner. Hold it like this. M U R U U R prime. One U. Everything is proper, and just hold it. Nothing is matching, so just perform this. Okay, so now at least one should match. Okay, this is matching, so you do U prime. Okay, nothing is matching. Perform again. Okay, so now only these two correctly placed, orange, blue, yellow, orange, green, yellow. So it is correctly placed. Put it upside down. Okay, whichever way this we are supposed to do, because these two are already done. So whichever is supposed to be fixed, keep it over here and do R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime, and this is properly placed. Okay, so do D, do R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime, R U prime U prime, U R prime U prime. Okay, this is correctly placed, and just on this thing, and your 4 by 4 is done.